Hi there, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what things you want me to record next time. Take care now.